Good morning, everyone! Today, the topic that we will be talking about is evolution. But before we go to its definition, let us talk about what do other people think when they hear the word evolution.
Ang evolution ay isang pagbabago sa anyo ng isang tao o isang hayop.
Ako dati pangit, tapos sunod ako onting gwapo, sunod onting ay gwapo na.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Dati galing tayo sa mundo.
There you go! Now, to make things clear, evolution is not just about the theory of the origin of humanities, which is said to be the apes. In biology, evolution doesn't define exactly how life began on Earth, but it helps us to understand how life, once it came to one existence, diversified into many incredible forms we see now. It also helps us understand the way how modern creatures continue to adapt in changes today. Evolution is any change in the heritable traits within a population across generations. This process began billions of years ago and still continuing to this day. It is based on the idea that all species are related or share a common ancestor and change gradually over time. Every creature that exists is unique and essential for evolution. Let us use the animals as an example and how evolution works. Let's say there are two bears that mate. The sperm cell from the male bear combines with the egg cell of the female bear, creating new offsprings. These offsprings are not completely similar and all have slightly differences with their traits and characteristics. Why? It is because every creature contains DNA. It consists of different genes which carries genetic information and determines the traits and characteristics of every creature. And precisely, it is the DNA which makes every one of us unique. Another thing that is important for evolution is the mutation. These are the random changes in DNA. It exists when a part of DNA is altered and might be the reason why people differ in eye color. These are the reasons why each offspring is slightly different from one another. Year 1859, Charles Darwin, together with Alfred Wallace, further explained the evolution by natural selection. It is sometimes described as survival of the fittest. There are 5 basic principles governing the theory of natural selection. First, organisms produce more offspring than can actually survive. They may die due to predation, disease, or lack of food. Second, every organism must struggle to survive. Organisms compete to get what they need, and they also struggle to escape from their predators. The third one states that there is a variation within species. There are differences among them, which allows natural selection to occur. Fourth one, some variations will allow members of species to reproduce more than the others. And the last one is, organisms that survive and reproduce pass their traits to their offspring. Another important part of evolution is the adaptation. It is a mutation or genetic change that helps an organism, such as a plant or animal, to survive in its environment. Nowadays, there are already evidences that support this theory, such as geology, or the study of rocks, paleontology, or the study of fossils, comparative anatomy, or comparison of the structures, and biogeography, or study of distribution of species. Those are the informations I am able to share with you with regards to evolution. Hope you learned a lot from this video, and it's just up to you. Will you believe the existence of evolution or not? Thank you and God bless.